How to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right in. Facebook Messenger provides you with a feature where you can turn off your active status so that no one can know when you are active. If they have the active status turned on, then people will be able to see when you are active. So in order to turn it off, first head over to your Messenger, tap on the menu icon at the bottom, head over to Settings. Now find your privacy settings here. Click on privacy and safety, and here you should be able to see your active status. Just tap on it. As you can see, I have currently turned on my active status, so the friends and connection can see when you're active or have recently been active in this profile. You can also see the same info about them too. And to change the settings or turn it off, whenever your Messenger and Facebook you're active, you will no longer be shown. So just toggle this one off. You can change or pause the active status for a certain time as well, for 1 hour, 8 hours, until 12 hour, or you could set a custom date or time as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this for until I change it and then tap on pause. Now, people won't be able to tell when I'm active on Facebook Messenger, but there is a downside to this. If someone is active on Messenger, you won't be able to see their active status as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.